The second item I'd like to show you in cutting blades is the Lennox Demolition-Grade, I call them Sawzall blades. The book calls them Reciprocating Saw Blades. We've all seen accidents out on the highway, unfortunately. If you've ever seen the fire department there and they're sawing away, there's a good chance they're using a demolition-grade Sawzall or reciprocating saw blade. Now, we have in our book all of the different types and sizes of reciprocating saw blades or Sawzall blades. We like to carry the grandma of them all, the demolition grade. These are fantastic. You can use them to cut tree roots out of the ground or to cut little girls out of wrecked cars. Very, very useful saw blade and very long lasting.